Picture perfect. Well done, Kitney. That's a lovely painting.
It's just how I wanted it. Really nice.
Time to wash your brushes, everyone.
I haven't finished. Come on, Malky. I want to play. Uh-oh. Kitney's picture is great. We got paint on Kitney's picture and we can't make it right. Can you help us? Maybe yellow here.
Let's hang your lovely pictures on the wall. It looks different.
It was an accident. We're sorry. I love it. We all made it. It's perfect.